As you can see, we have a complete empty machine which we are going to fill with all the colors. Take out the ink slide. Cyan ink is going in. Here's the ink tray. Putting in the anti-locks, lock it all without any tooling. And the doctor blade, also without tooling. And slide it back into the machine. Putting air on the mandrel, slide in the print sleeve and get the print sleeve into print position. Next unit, which is the magenta. Again, putting in the ink tray. Any locks with handles for clean working. Lock it, and then the doctor blade. Close it and put in the print sleeve again. Everything is without tooling, and for the operator, very operator friendly. Closing the finger bar means the print cylinder goes into print position. Here we go for the yellow. Lock it again. Air on the mandrel. At the end of the mandrel there's a notch which will tell us what is the zero position of the cylinder. The advantage of the ink slide is that the operator can work outside of the machine. So it's easier to lift the ink tray, to lift the anti-locks. Closing the finger bars. And the last color, which is a PMS color red, is the color of the MPS. And loading the last print sleeve. And putting the unit on print position. The first color, cyan, will be the master. The print settings are from the job memory. So pre-settings for the operator, very easy to print the next job. And cyan is printing a register mark, which is followed by every color by a sensor. And you can see that due to the pre-register, all the colors are directly into register. So the machine can go directly into production. If the machine is correcting, the LEDs will start flashing, but in this case you can see they are stable. By speeding up, there can be a small correction of the registration. And we are now at a speed of 50 meters a minute. stable register. And now we will ramp up (120 meters a minute). And if you look into the ink tray, which is open, but still on the speed of 120 meters a minute, there's no ink misting on the side. There are side scrapers on the analogs to keep the ink low, and as you can see, it stays perfect in the ink tray, so no problems of ink coming out of the ink tray. The black one, and over here the red one, also with side scrapers, and there's a possibility to put a cover on the ink tray as well to close it completely. Press is running now 120 meters a minute, and again stable situation of the register. And now we are able, during production, as you can see, to open the ink slide and to prepare the next color for the next run. So in this case a blue color is coming into the press with the analogs. Print unit 7, it's not printing at the moment, we're just preparing it, and we prepare it outside of the press, as you can see. And now the operator slides it back into the press. You can also slide in the print sleeve, which is a different text. So what we are going to do is change the text. The image stays the same, but on the fly we are able to change the text from unit 6 to unit 7. Switching on the print unit, and the print sleeve will get into speed, the same speed as the production at the moment. To show it better, we will slow down the press to show that we are really going to make a change and all the colors stay in register. So we go back to 30 meters a minute. Unit 6 is printing the red color, and the operator will switch on unit 7, switch off unit 6. So now we're still printing the red text, and now we are going to the blue text, as you can see in the barcode. Directly in register due to the pre-register of the machine. So we're printing now the blue text, different SKU, and we will switch off the red one. We don't need it anymore. So during production we can change it, take out the color, take out the sleeve, and prepare the next run. Non-stop print change, changing text on the fly, and keeping all the colors in registration. And we're going even a little bit faster, 150 meters a minute. And also on this speed you will see that the ink stays perfectly in the ink tray, and all the colors stay in register. And when the second job is ready, we could prepare this unit, probably unit 8, which is also empty, to make sure we reduce the setup times of this machine.